Unveiling the Truth. Alan Dershowitz's take on the Diddy case, a legal perspective. When famed lawyer Alan Dershowitz speaks about the Diddy case, he doesn't hold back his assessment. It's not a strong case. But what does he mean by that? Let's break it down to understand his critical viewpoint and what it signifies for the case's future. Dershowitz, known for his candid legal opinions, argues that the foundation of the Diddy case is shaky at best. This doesn't necessarily imply that there are no issues worth discussing, but rather that the legal arguments or evidence presented may not be robust enough to sustain a successful outcome. But this is where it gets intriguing. Legal cases often rise and fall based on the strength of the arguments and supporting evidence, and in this case, key components might just be lacking. But here's where it gets controversial. A perception of what constitutes a strong case can vary dramatically between legal experts. Some might believe that the arguments presented have enough merit to raise serious questions or spark debate, even if they aren't airtight for a legal victory. So, where do you stand on this? Do you think the issues raised have enough gravity to challenge the status quo, or did they lack the convincing power needed to bring about change? Now, let's steer the conversation toward what makes stories like this so compelling. The Daily Caller is a platform that doesn't simply follow the corporate and political herd. It stands out for its dedication to uncovering stories and voices often overlooked or marginalized by the mainstream media. This commitment to encouraging honest reporting and fostering accountability is what sets them apart in an era when truth seems to be under constant threat. So, what's your take on this situation? Is it time for a fresh perspective in how media covers legal disputes like the Diddy case? Or do you think the current legal frameworks are still adequate to handle such cases? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get the conversation going.